Oh, welcome back to another video. And a little bit laggy, so don't think of it much. Everyone's thing is laggy. But when it stops lagging, it's gonna be like the greatest internet. Okay, we're back with another video, and my guys know there's some things that you guys didn't know, and these things are pretty cool. Why is my walking animation like that? I don't know. It's like the same, but there's some things that you didn't know. And some people might have told you. But for the people who don't know, well, if you want to get cosmic form, here's how to do it. And it's actually really. First, get your ultimate. And then, just gotta destroying the world real quick. Not really. But once you do it, you gotta use Hunter's Mark and then God Slayer. Like this. Also, I tried making this video 3 times, so please subscribe. Please. That's like, I can't. We have hit 21 viewers in 2 days. I mean, I tried YouTube like a long time ago, and let's just say it didn't work. Like, no, I only got like 12 views. So this is pretty good for me. Let's start. And then you should have a cosmic form. Once you get cosmic form, you get this cool animation. Is that my dad? It's my dad. Come here. Yay. Okay. Then you're gonna fly up the sky like a rocket. And then you get this animation. Which you turn cosmic. And you go bop. 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 And then you can just use this. Alabama. Chicabama. And Habadama. Walking back in slow motion. So and then there's actually nuclear fusion, which is what? Come here. Space travels. Wait, happy space travels. And then we go into this portal. And then we go right there. And then I explode everything. And then I come out of there. And then like that. And then these moves are just the other ones from the other thing. Okay, time to die now. Okay, something you didn't know with the technology is that you might be wondering, how do I customize my map? Well, you need VIP Plus. I'm sorry. I spent a lot of Robux doing this. I'm not gonna lie. The regular mech looks like this. I don't know why it's lagging. I tried this 3 times and my lag was the greatest. I'm not gonna lie. If I check my ping, I'm probably at like the goodness. Can you stop lagging now, please? Yeah, you see, it's not that laggy, just a little bit. Okay, where is it? So, if you guys want to customize your mech, and if you subscribe, I might give you VIP Plus. For mobile, actually, it's just VIP. Let me just get this sussy music out the way. On mobile, I don't know why, but it's just VIP. Like, you don't need VIP Plus. I got this for VIP. I'm not gonna lie. I think if you had this when TSB, when it first came out, but when it, like, came out, or something like that. I don't know. Not came out, but when, something like that, I don't know. If you want to customize your mech, you need VIP. Not Plus, I think. Some people say they need Plus. But once you get VIP, I might give you VIP if you like and subscribe. violet, and then we got violet guard, and then we got this one, which this one kind of looks cool. Hold on, kind of let me blend in the grass. If I just stand still, you can't see me. You can't see me. Look, you can't see me. See? I'm camera flash. For you even to see me. Okay, what color do I want? If I do pink. Okay, this. What is? It's a pink robot. Okay, we'll do red. What, like a ruby? Yo, I like this one. It's pretty cool. It reminds me of that show. Hold on. How did I do? Nah. Wait a minute. This works so well. Hold on. What I mean is, let me just, how do I, make the map look like, how do you say it? Like, dark? Oh, wait, oh. And also you can just do this glitch where, you don't have to yeah, this is a glitch. Just to go on the ground. Stuck. How do I get up? I don't know if he's messing. Whatever. Okay, and then, yeah. You know, there's also some other cool things that you didn't know about. Which if you get Saitama, he's actually has something that you didn't know. If you get your awakening, and if you get your friend, let's just imagine my imaginary friend is right here, using Cyborg, and if you both use your awakening at the same time, you get a cool animation, which looks honestly cool from the show when they fight and train. But I'm just gonna keep doing this because I want to. Hold on. They used to add a thing where let me just see if it still works. Oh, it works. Oh, it works. Oh, it still works. Oh, if you want me to do a video like this, subscribe. Please. Please. If you want me to do a video like this, subscribe. And we'll get the maximum power. But yeah. Well, that's the only one out. See you guys later. Please subscribe. I hope we get, if we get 5 subscribers, I'll give you guys 5 emotes. Just one emote for every person who subscribed. And comment down your username. But if you can't comment, I'll try to fix that because I can't do anything about that because I'm too excited. Goodbye, guys.